Okay, everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with month number 3, utilizing this Done For You funnel. My name is Amanda Ray. I am a single parent of 2, and I've been learning how to leverage this opportunity, earning a full-time income in a very short period of time. Not using any list. I have not built a list. I pretty much took this opportunity from scratch, and I'm showing people how I was able to leverage this opportunity in just a short 4 months. We are now in the month of November, and I'm going to show you my results for the month of November. Driving cold traffic on a budget to a couple of done-for-you funnels that I was able to get from one of the teammates that's a part of this system. For those that don't know, this program pays out residual $20 commissions, $100 commissions, and $400 commissions. And you're able to actually earn that consistently using this Done For You funnel. We have a capture page that's connected to a sales page that's also connected to an autoresponder. Here, going into my account, this is my face, this is my name, Amanda Ray, this is my account here, and then we're just going to start. If you did not take a look at month 1 and month 2, you can click on the description below and you'll be able to get the information for how I did the month of October and how I did the month of September. And now we are going to be moving forward into the month of November. So November 1st, I am, of course, purchasing paid traffic on a budget. I am a single mom and I do everything on a budget. I want to see if the average person can do this and have the same results. So I went ahead and I had some traffic that I purchased here November 1st on 100 opt-ins. I had 6 gold members come in on the 1st. That is a total of $120. That arrived on the 1st, and then I had 2 diamond members come in on the 1st, and that is $200 in commission. So in just the first alone, I had over $300 in commissions, okay, with just the first of the month, okay. I had another 100 opt-ins coming on the 2nd. I had 2 gold members, 36 free leads that came in on the 2nd. I had 2 gold members that came in on the 3rd, and guys, I just want to let you know that I am now, as of the end of October, I am now in the profit, running traffic and actually having an ongoing profit week after week utilizing this system, okay? And I just noticed that this gets better with time. So on the 4th of November, I had 2 gold members come in. That's a $40 commission. On the 6th, I went ahead in the beginning, the end of October, I upgraded to a platinum member after missing out on 3 platinum commissions because I was not at the highest level within the Power Lead system. If you are not at the highest level, when you gain those commissions, they are passed up to your sponsor. So if you're running traffic, you want to get all in or get as high as you can afford to so that you don't miss out on that opportunity. On the 6th, I had my first fast start bonus that I was able to receive a commission from, because I positioned myself by paying the one-time fee of $497, which gives me unlimited $400 commissions. So I had my first one on the 6th after being a platinum member for just 1 week. I had my PLS customer arrive. That's a $20 commission. I have 16 free leads, a gold member, a PLS customer here. Okay, I had on the 8th, I have another lead, and then on the 8th here, 100 opt-ins, another PLS customer, $20 commission on the 9th. And it's just exciting because, as you can see, I had my first fast start bonus on the 6th, which is a $400 commission, and then I went ahead and received another on the 7th. So just in 2 days, I made $800. And guys, this is running free traffic and letting the autoresponder that's within the Power Lead system do the work for me. So that was pretty exciting to see that type of commission come in such a short period of time. Here on the 10th of November, I had 100 opt-ins. I had a $100 commission on the 10th. This is, again, free driving paid traffic on a budget and receiving these consistent commissions. I was just excited. Once again, on the 10th, I had another fast start bonus. So as soon as I positioned myself to receive these fast start bonuses by paying that one-time $4.97. I made my money back within the first week, and now I'm in the profit because every time I get a $400 commission after that, that's just pure profit by just paying that one-time fee. Here I have PLS customers coming in, another 4 diamond commissions on the 12 guys. That is a $400 commission, $100 per diamond customer. I am now building momentum. I'm starting to leverage this opportunity. I have more gold members, 29 gold members from paid traffic. On the 12th of November, 29. If you do 29 times 20 guys, let's just do the math on that. $580 I was able to make in one day utilizing this done for you system, okay? And you know, as you can see, it gets better and better. Another fast start bonus on the 13th. Within just less than 2 weeks, I was able to bring in 4 fast start bonuses, earning me a total of $1,600, okay? And you know, it just keeps coming in. Diamond members, 13 gold members, 100 opt-ins. I am now spending in the month of November no more than a total of, I want to say, about a little bit less than $1,000 in traffic, okay? But I've made well over that within just the month of November, well over that, okay? And I just pumped out, you know, $200, sometimes $250 a week. It's earning me a consistent commission of over a couple of thousand, you know, $1,000, $1,500 within just that week by pumping out $250 in traffic, okay? The 20th diamond member, gold member on the 19th. And moving in towards the end of November, I have another 4 gold members, $6 lead lightning, 2 diamond members, 4 gold members, another fast start bonus. And now, just being only 3 months in this, I'm utilizing the system. As you can see, it is very consistent. The amount of commissions that I'm receiving are more. They're coming in steady now. And what we're going to do is the next video is going to move into the month of December, where I'm going to just show you the consistency of how I'm doing utilizing this done for you funnel. So you can click in the description to get that video. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. And I'm going to go ahead and take you into the next month. You know, I'm just here alone, you know, more diamond members on a 26, gold members coming in consistently. And I'm just still purchasing only the same amount of traffic that I've been purchasing. I have not upscaled up the opportunity yet and started buying way more traffic. This is just consistent 200 to 250 clicks a week. Okay, thanks so much. And I look forward to letting you see my results for the following month.